Pause. Did you know you can study a full master's degree in Germany and pay absolutely zero in tuition? And on top of that, the German government gives you a living stipend every single month. That's the DAAD Scholarship, and it's fully funded for Ghanaian. DAAD stands for Deutscher Akademischer Austauschdienst, the German Academic Exchange Service. It's the world's largest academic exchange organization, funding over 145,000 students every single year across 160 countries with 86 different programs. And here's the part most people don't know: DAAD has an office right here in Accra. Free guidance for Ghanaians. Here's why Germany is one of the smartest choices in the world for your masters. Public German universities charge zero tuition fees for international students. Let that sink in. Zero. DAAD covers your monthly living costs, so you bring nothing but your ambition. And Germany is home to BMW, Siemens, SAP, BASF, the world's strongest engineering and industrial economy. 1 in 3 Nobel Prize winners came from a German university. Here is exactly what DAAD covers. University tuition zero at public German universities. A monthly living stipend of €992 for master's students, and €1,300 for PhD candidates. Full health insurance. Your travel costs from Accra to Germany and back. Study and research materials, and even German language course support. Everything you need. Do you qualify? You must be a Ghanaian citizen, and Ghana is fully eligible for all DAAD programs. You need a bachelor's degree with above-average results in the upper third of your class. You need at least 2 years of professional experience after your first degree. Your degree must not be older than 6 years, and you must not have lived in Germany for more than 15 months before applying. Sound like you? Keep watching. DAAD has 4 key paths for Ghanaians. Number 1, EPOS, development-related postgraduate courses. This is the most popular, a fully funded master's at a German university in development-related subjects. Number 2, research grants for PhD candidates with up to €1,500 per month. Number 3, in-country scholarships to study right here at the University of Ghana. And number 4, advanced Helmholtz and Humboldt fellowships for senior researchers. Now, the key dates. For the EPOS Master's Program, you apply directly to German universities between July and December 2026. Each university has its own deadline, so check early at DAAD. For PhD research grants, the DAAD portal deadline is October or November 2026. The selection process runs from April to September, and your scholarship begins in January or October 2027. If you need guidance, visit DAAD office in Accra right now, DAAD Ghana, org. It's free and specifically for Ghanaians. Germany is waiting for you. No tuition, monthly stipend, world-class engineering education. A DAAD qualification opens doors across Africa, Europe, and beyond. Get the full DAAD guide, program list, and application tips at levelupgh.top. And join our free WhatsApp community for personalized support. Link in bio. Start your DAAD journey today.